Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to log in Banco Montepio, Portuguese. So let's go to Google, search for Banco Montepio, Portuguese. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. As you can see here, from this page, click on the top right corner, this rectangle, and then click login. So click login page. From this login page, you will see this option. As you can see here, you will see user and password. Write your identification and then click confirm. And this section, write your business access if you have access. This is for individual first result, and then click confirm. After that, you will see this page. This is for login. As I say, just click login here. Write your access identification number. This is for identification. This is how you can do, friends. Just like write this one and click continue. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this